Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to wrap text around a cylinder. For example, I will open this image, and if you want to create text in this cylinder, you can click this text tool. After it, I will click at this point. Now you can set into center, and we can tap like first get channel. Can press enter again, enter, then enter. Now we can move these text objects into center point like this. Then double click to edit this text, and then we can change for wrappings. Click in here, and then we set into arch tools. So with this arch, you can bending the text objects. Click OK. Then we also can scale this text by using this point and move again to center point. Okay. To edit, you can double click, then choose again these tools, bending tools. If you done, click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to wrap text around a cylinder. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.